Hi guys, if you don't know me, my name is Guilherme Valtares and you are in G Technology channel. And today we are going to talk about this new smartphone that has just been launched by ASUS. In Brazil, we have a lot of people that like Zenfone and products from ASUS like Rogue Phone, and we would like to have more cheapest products from ASUS in Brazil. And one of the CEO from Qualcomm, Snapdragon, is a Brazilian guy. And this guy has made a partnership with ASUS to create this new smartphone. The name is Smartphone for Snapdragon Insiders. So this is a project from Qualcomm Snapdragon with ASUS to create a better product, a better smartphone for Qualcomm lovers and ASUS lovers. And here we're going to see a little bit about this smartphone. Qualcomm announces a smartphone for Snapdragon Insiders with a Snapdragon 888 and 6.78-inch and 144 Hz AMOLED screen. Qualcomm has more than 1.6 million Snapdragon Insiders, a community of fans and enthusiasts who participate in online forums and are among the first to hear about news coming from Qualcomm. To cater to these power users, Qualcomm has partnered with ASUS to deliver a unique smartphone. Qualcomm announces the smartphone for Snapdragon Insiders, and yes, that's the official name. The name of this smartphone is a little bit huge. So if they create maybe Snap Inside, maybe a name a little bit, just one word. If they create just one word, Snap Inside, and put in the front of this name smartphone for Snapdragon Insiders, people will realize, like Pocophone, it's a smartphone from Xiaomi and Poco, and they create this name Poco, just Poco. And there are also Rogue Phone, just Rogue Phone. And now they create this name, huge name, smartphone for Snapdragon Insiders. And maybe this is bad for advertising. How can you put this full name on a billboard? How can you put this full name for everyone read faster and realize what this smartphone for? But this is not a smartphone for everyone. It was made for enthusiasts of Qualcomm Snapdragon and people who wants to buy everything that Snapdragon made. It's kind of Apple does, but Apple does better with their products for a long time. And now ASUS are doing this partnership with Qualcomm to create this smartphone. Maybe it will be a good thing for the future, but now it's very expensive smartphone, and you see the price just right now. To those who can afford the curated offering of $1,500 USA dollars, the package includes the handset along with a pair of TWS earbuds with Snapdragon sound produced by Master and Dynamic, a bumper case, a Qualcomm Quick Charge 5.0 power adapter, and 2 charging cables. There's a lot to cover about this device, so let's start with the hardware. On the front, it's largest 6.78-inch Samsung AMOLED screen with 2448 for 1080 pixel resolution, 1080p pixel resolution, and the panel supports a fastest 144 Hz refresh rate. This screen is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus and supports always-on display. There is a 24 megapixels front-facing camera in the top bezel of the phone. This puts it among the few premium smartphones without a punch hole or a knot these days, alongside the slide of Sony Xperios 1.3 and 5.3. It's a pop-up camera. Top of the bezel. Oh no, it's not a pop-up camera. There is a bezel here. No, it's not that good. Around back is a triple camera setup, fingerprint scanner, and a self-illuminating Snapdragon logo. That is a main 16.4 megapixel f for 1.8 camera and a ultra-wide 12 megapixels f 2.2 unite and a telephoto 8 megapixel snapper with a 3x zoom. The camera app will feature Qualcomm AI software experiences like auto zoom and AI object tracking. We expect to see more of Qualcomm's camera features here, but the actual tuning of the camera is done by ASUS. The fingerprint scanner uses Qualcomm's second generation 3D Sonic sensor, just like the Galaxy S21 series. Okay. The phone is powered by Snapdragon 888 chipset. They also 512 gigabytes of UFS 3.0 storage and 16 gigabytes of RAM. So there is a 4000 mAh battery compatible with Qualcomm include quick charger 5.0 charger. Okay, as you see, this is a very expensive smartphone that Qualcomm just announces with ASUS, and we don't know if it will be a good thing for us because it's very expensive, and I don't know if it will arrive all over the world. I guess it won't arrive in Brazil because it's very expensive for us. 1.5 thousand. It's a lot of money, man. So that's it. If you liked what I talk here about this new, if you want to participate with me during this live, click on the link on the description and go to the GTech live channel where I stream this live every Thursday. Okay, so see you guys in the next clip.